Do you know how to adjust the humidifier on the ResMed AirSense 10 or 11? First, make sure the water chamber is properly inserted to your AirSense machine. Do not overfill past max water level line on tank. Then, press the home button and go to the settings menu. Next, select the humidifier setting and adjust the humidification level to your desired setting. You can choose between 1 and 8, with 1 being the lowest and 8 being the highest. If you are using heated tubing with device, you will also be able to choose the auto option. Auto climate control means the device will produce humidity based on the current ambient humidity level of the room automatically to deliver the ideal level of moisture to the pressurized airflow. You can also adjust the heated tube temperature to your desired setting and choose between 60 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, with 60 being the coolest and 86 being the warmest. However, setting the tubing temperature below ambient room temperature will not cool the tubing, it will only ensure no additional heat is used. Most heated tubing also has an auto option, which will match the temperature used by the humidifier, a great option as well. It's also important to clean the water chamber regularly to prevent bacteria buildup. You can clean it with a mild detergent and warm water. And don't forget to replace the water chamber every 6 months or as needed. Adjusting the humidifier settings can make a big difference in your sleep quality and overall health. We trust this video addressed your needs, and remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Enticare if you have any questions.